So I'm seeing this. I'm here, move, bang, that's it there, what's happened. So I flipped, I went there, and then I did this to him. See, that takes his intention like. So Sanatan Shastar Vidya is the art of the Kshatriya, the traditional Sikh warriors, Hindu Sikh warriors. This is a northern Indian battlefield martial art. It is for fighting in formations, etc. So it's ancient in India as you can get. And we use the words like Andruni Shakti, like Andruni means internal power. Now the body mechanics that we employ is known as Dev Rahes, which literally means the secrets of the gods. So Dev Rahes works with gravity. Gurdev Nidar Shakti is the full Sanskrit name for gravity. And understanding of gravity in India is extremely ancient. Sanatan Shastar Vidya, like all martial arts, they deem it a secret art. It's a Gupta Vidya. Gupta means secret. And Gupta Khedin Nath Ke Chelle. The students of masters play in secret. Jin Pet Paya Tinish Paya. He who learns the secrets keeps the secrets. So I'm here, I end up on his elbow there, shattering that. Okay? And if I really want to do it, from here I can take it down here. So I just use that. Here I'm relaxing down my structures. I'm there, he's coming down there, and then bang, that's it. The art was kept secret. In the ancient texts, you'll find maybe descriptions to it. So in Sanatan Shastar Vidya, we have a concept of moving with buoyant energy like a frog. So that is mentioned in Ramayana, that they move like frog, like mendak, like frogs and so on. Moving with shoulder blade is mentioned as well. From texts in the 9th century, like Agni Puran, between 9th and 11th century. And then there's a Sikh text from the 19th century, 1843 onward, that also mentions, 1846, right? That mentions, the Surya Prakash mentions like locomotion with shoulder blades. So in written form, it is cryptic. It traces itself back, like everything, most things in India. It goes back traces back to Adideva Shiva. All different northern communities had this art and so on. And then, unfortunately for us, I belong to a school from 1661, and thus, through this school, it has survived. Whereas generally this art, once the British came in, the British made a very good job of suppressing and outlawing a lot of martial traditions, if not directly, by banning weapons, etc. and so on. If you can't carry weapons, you can't train with them, and then obviously the art dies away. Like so, this is Sanatan Shastar Vidya. Literally trains. It is timeless science of weapons. I'm here. If it's muscular, it's just that much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to relax. That's it. Enough to shatter the bone. The elbow's gone. Then I can break his ribs, and that's it. And if I'm really pissed off with him, I go, come on then, boy. There, now I have this. So this comes in, that cuts there, that cuts there, that cuts there. So this will be like a spear.